It's a 2016 Honda Pilot. Style runs in the family, and watch the family run to pile into this roomy Pilot. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, Honda Link, entertainment system with Blu-ray, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver points out, the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crain Highway in Bowie, Maryland.